friends, this is Pallavi Mohan and today we have come up with a very important topic, proteins. Let's hear that out from Dr. Aruna Mohan, Professor, Delhi University. Over to her.
Hello friends, proteins are very important in our diet. It's very important component. We know the major components of food are protein, carbohydrates, fats, mineral, vitamins. Today we are going to discuss the role of protein in our diet and thereafter on our body. Proteins are bodybuilding. They build our muscles and hence important for growth and repair. For growing child, the protein intake is important because the body of the child is growing. Let us see from where we get protein. There are vegetarian proteins and there are non-vegetarian proteins. First, vegetarian protein. Pulses. Simple dal which we take regularly in everyday meals. Then rajma, kidney beans, gram, which will include kabuli chana, black gram, that is Bengal gram, peas, butter, peanuts, mushroom, paneer, tofu, soya bean, and many more. I would like to emphasize on one fact, friends, that protein of mushroom and soya bean is almost equal to non-vegetarian protein. Let me now come to sources of non-vegetarian proteins. Fish, meat, prawn, salmon, goat meat, etc. Here I would like to point out that fish is the simplest protein, easily digestible, compared to goat meat, which has thicker fiber and takes more time to digest. If you want simpler protein, then start with the fish. And next comes chicken. Now, how to include protein in our diet? Friends, if you are vegetarian, have dal at least in one meal in a day. You can have either paneer or tofu. Sometimes you can have gram or soya bean. And please don't forget milk and milk products. Milk is main source of protein and of course calcium. Now protein will come from milk or paneer or curd. Curd and milk. So friends, try to have milk at least once, maybe in breakfast, curd at least once, maybe in lunch, and you are having dal already. If you do this much, your protein intake is fine. And also, sprouts are also very great source of proteins because it is made out of dal. Plus, because it has little growth, so it is giving you little bit of vegetables also. So let me write sprout also. Coming to those who are non-vegetarian, does not mean they will take only non-vegetarian protein and only non-veg food. Take a piece of non-veg and rest all vegetarian. and that is rather a very, very balanced diet. So non-vegetarians can take any of these foods indicated here, one piece, and they take normal food which you are eating, dal, sabzi, roti, etc. Now, protein intake is important because it builds muscle in your body. When child is growing, for growth, and when one becomes adult, to maintain the maintenance of muscles. Here I would like to point out, suppose you are reducing weight, then remember you have to reduce fat mass and not the protein mass. Always you should have protein in diet to have your protein mass intact and take care of your body. And if there is deficiency of protein, then ailments like kwashiorkor, marasmus, muscle wasting, all these things start coming, and overall the weakness. So please take care and remain healthy. Over to Pallavi.
Thank you so much. That was really educative, and one should definitely include good protein, good amount of protein in a diet. Thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon so that you automatically come to know whenever we put a new video. Thanks a lot. Take care.